Welcome to this quick guide. Today you will learn how to clear the cache in the Wechat app. If your app is running slowly or taking up too much space, clearing the cache can help improve performance and free up storage space. Start by launching the Wechat app on your smart device and make sure you are logged in to access the full settings menu. On the main screen, in the lower right corner of the screen, you will see your profile that says Me, and then click on it. And then on the next page, look for the settings option at the bottom of the screen and click on it. By clicking on the settings option, a new page will open where you will go down to the general option in the drop-down menu and then click on it. Then when the next page opens, also in the drop-down menu, go down to the storage option and click on it. Here you will see how much storage space Wechat is using. In order to clear the cache, you need to go down to the cache option and click on Remove Now. Before deleting, the application will open the following page where you can check exactly what you want to delete. When you finish checking, scroll down to the Clear option and click on it. After all the cache is deleted, you will see that the cache is cleared and then click on Got It, and that's it. Keep in mind, clearing the cache will not delete your messages or contacts. Only temporary files are removed to free up space. You have successfully cleared the cache memory in Wechat. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.